Have you ever dreamt of hiking through dramatic cliffs, profound valleys, and soulful landscapes? Welcome to the Simien Mountains, Ethiopia's lofty roof of Africa, where every step calms your spirit. Step into Lalibela, a hidden gem of medieval marvels, stone-sculpted churches carved directly from living rock. Walking among these galleries feels like entering a timeless sanctuary. Then there's the surreal Danakil Depression, lit by neon sulfur pools, bubbling lava lakes, and endless salt flats. It's raw, unfiltered, and utterly spellbinding. Drift across Lake Tana, Ethiopia's largest lake, at sunrise. Its calm waters cradle centuries-old monasteries painted with biblical frescoes. It's like poetry in motion. And don't miss the Blue Nile Falls, known as Tis Isat, the screaming Blue Nile. In the rainy season, roaring cascades meet rainbows, creating nature's own symphony. From soul-gentling highlands and rock-carved wonders to neon landscapes, mystical lakes, and thundering falls, Ethiopia is where landscapes daze with magic and adventure.